क्या आपके दांतों में झंझनाहट होती है? क्या आपके दांत वीक हैं? और आर दे रफ? You might be losing your enamel or you may not even know it. But here's the good news. Science shows that we can repair it naturally. Hello, Namaste, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Nutri Smile, where I have started these small mini series on silent smile killers, in which this is the episode 5, which tells you how you can rebuild your enamel, which is the outer surface of the teeth. So stay tuned till the end. Also, if you haven't watched any of the previous 4 episodes, you can watch it with the link in the description. Just click on the link and you will get the video. On the topics which you don't know that they are regularly destroying your smile in the mini series of silent smile killers. Enamel is a hard, white layer on the outside of your teeth. It protects your smile from damage. But once it's wear down, it doesn't grow back like our skin. Still, it can be made stronger again and again. This is called as remineralization. Let's get started. 5 simple science-backed ways that help you to heal your enamel. First, use a fluoride or hydroxyapatite toothpaste. It fills tiny holes in your enamel. Second, eat foods rich in minerals like milk, cheese, spinach, eggs, and nuts. Third, drink green tea. It helps reduce acid and protects your teeth. Fourth, avoid acidic foods and drinks like soda, lemons, and vinegar. They wear down your enamel. Fifth and last point, choose sugar-free gums with xylitol. It helps your mouth make more saliva, which protects your enamel naturally. Start your day by brushing with mineral toothpaste. Eat healthy food. Rinse with green tea. Avoid too many acidic snacks and brush again at night. Do this every day and your enamel can become stronger naturally. Don't wait until your teeth hurts. Start protecting your enamel now. Rebuild your smile, rebuild your confidence. If you have watched this video till the end, consider liking this video, share amongst your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel Nutri Smile for more simple tips that can save your smile. Also, comment down on which topic do you want the video next. Okay, bye guys. Stay tuned for the next video. We'll meet you guys in the next one.